What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do the final review over a Kanspet knife that, not too shabby. Not too shabby. It's a little different, but I'll get into that here in a second for you. This is going to be called the Hinterland. Not too bad. I really do like this. I like the design. Love the layout of everything, except for one little thing. It's not really a big deal. It's just kind of wonky, as in there's only one thumb stud. That's just not anything I've really handled yet. Obviously, it's just a thumb stud. Obviously, that's not too big of a deal. But if it was me, I would honestly, I'd do more reverse flipping than I do thumb flicking. Um, so I would obviously probably put it on this side if I could, but you can't switch it out. It's only for one side. I don't know if you can buy it and like get a left-handed side or whatever, or the opposite side, whatever side that is. I guess it depends on what you're looking at. I guess like this way, the right side. I would honestly, I would switch it out. I don't think it would be the same. Obviously, if you switch it out and just put it over there, it would be awkward. I don't even think you could fit it in because of that. As you see right here, the screw is on this side, and so this big old chunk would be hitting that, so it wouldn't really work. So I don't know if it didn't come with the package, so I do not know if they sell them separate or something like that. I do not know, but I do know that you can still reverse flick it with the fuller. So it's not too shabby. I don't know if that's what it was meant for. It seems pretty much like it was. But you gotta really get, hold on. You gotta find that sweet spot. See, you have to kind of like give it a little flick, I guess, to really kind of do it. If you just straight up flicking it, it's gonna be a little harder, but it works. I found that it is closer to the thumb stud, like so about right here. Get your finger right there, and it usually flicks a little better without you actually having to do all the work with your wrist. You know what I mean? But I don't really care for that. I just wish there was one there because that's what I like to do. It doesn't really work a whole lot for me. Like, I don't really see. I just don't do that very well with the thumb flick. Maybe with the thumb stud, maybe. But with this, I would slow roll it a little bit more so. But since it's so tall, like so close up here, I do have problems even slow rolling it. But right here, though, I can slow roll that on the fuller all day. And I actually really like it, though. It actually isn't too bad right there. I'm very impressed with it right there. Just the smoothness of it. So it does have the blue anodized titanium scales on it. There are liners also. Obviously, it's all one piece, but it does have the twill carbon fiber inlay. And I do not know what necessarily. I know twill is like a different kind. So I need to look that stuff up. I don't know if it's like a certain kind or just a different brand or something like that. Because I know like fat carbon, that's a certain brand. I don't know if twill is a certain brand, but I can't remember what knife it was also on recently. I don't think this is obviously twill. I can't remember what knife it was on. It was a reviewer. It was a loaner, so I do not remember which one it was. But I really do love the blue hardware and the blue titanium. No backspacers except for the pivots or the columns, excuse me, the blue anodized columns. I think they look really cool with it. And I do like that they do have at least the thumb stud blue too. I think this thing is just awesome looking overall. Just the color scheme on it, it kind of just hits me. It's Kanspet. They really do, like, I don't know why. They do have some, like, out there knives, but then they also have some really, like, it looks great. This everything, like the color scheme and just everything. It just pops. And this one is definitely popping to me. I saw some of the other, I don't know, designs of it, like color schemes and all that type of stuff. Wasn't real a fan, but I did see this, and this just popped to me. So that's why I like this one the most, obviously. It does have that nice CPM S35 VN, as you can see right there. Got a clip point, obviously, also, and with a black wash, so that's kind of nice. I do like the black wash or black stone wash, and it also has a flat grind with it. Now, it is a frame lock if you haven't noticed. I'll go and I like that it has just a smidge sticking out just enough. No texture, any jimping or anything like that. But it's just enough access to it that it's very easily manipulated. Very smooth too. It closes very smooth, very smooth. Very impressed. The only thing is just the opening. Just that thumb stud. I just wish there was another one on the other side, and this knife would be banging. I'm telling you, like it already is banging. I think it would just be crazy if it was. Love the jimping on it. Great jimping. Feels great in hand. A little bit of curves for you, little grooves for you for your fingers right there. And they fit so smooth in there for my hands. And then you got the jimping just right there, perfect. Like it's a perfect grip for me. I'm really impressed with it. Feels really good. You got a nice titanium pocket clip. It is not reversible. Reversible kind of sucks, Or not being reversible kind of sucks. But it's kind of just the titanium ones. They're always hard to get reversible, stuff like that. So that's kind of common. But not bad. This is a Morgan Cohen's design. I got a couple knives I've been checking out from them, from Morgan. Not from him or her. I don't know if it's a him or her. Morgan's a guy name as well as a girl. Now I'm going to have to check that out if it's a guy or girl. But I didn't get it from Morgan exactly. I got it from the Pass Around group. So I got a few knives from Kanspet and one from CJRB. So this one was super dope. This is my favorite one. Very nice, very nice. Like the jimping, like I said. It's not overly aggressive though, which is, I usually like a little bit more aggressive, but it's really not bad on this knife. Let's get a weight real quick for you. And the usual suspects, the tape measure, the weights, where you can see it. There you go. 4.4. 4.4. And I don't think it was skeletonized on the inside. I don't remember. Let's check it out. Nope. No, yeah, it's not skeletonized at all whatsoever. So it's just a big old chunk of metal. Let's go ahead and get the weight or the size. Daggone. So this thing is about 3.75. That's a lot longer than I thought for the cutting edge. Dang. Definitely longer than I thought. And 6.25 or 8.25 for the overall. So it's a bigger knife. Good lord. I didn't think it was. But really ergonomically this thing is phenomenal. Like it's one of the better concept ones. Like I've dealt I can't remember the last one I really liked, but I've dealt with some concept knives and they've all been pretty decent relative. A few little turds here and there, but a lot of companies have that. But a lot of them were pretty decent. I really thought so. Call me crazy, but this one it hits different. Like it feels different. Feels great in my hand. Just that thumb stud, baby. Get that thumb stud. Get that extra one on there, and man, it would be a banger. But that's all right. Price is coming in at $205 though. It's a little expensive, but not too bad. You got S35, you got titanium, you got 12 carbon fiber. Not too bad. Maybe if we got some T8s, we might we might have a 10 out of 10. Oh, broke right there. So we got T8, T6, T6, T6. Everything is T6. So, so that sucks. Everything is T6 except for the pivot. So, well, that sucks. That's kind of a turd. But still a banging knife, though. I'm telling you, like it's a great knife, really good. I really like it. Feels great in my hand. First impressions were great. Final reviews great. I dig it. Just that right there. Like if you can live without it, you'll be good to go. But they also have different designs or different color schemes and everything like that. Just check them out. This is my favorite. Very glad to be able to like check it out and everything like that. I want to get one now. But man, Kanspet, man, they've been releasing a lot of stuff, and they have their budget line now, Tenable. Some banging stuff over there, man. Like you guys need to check it out. But that's all I really got, though. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up, or if you have any comments, questions, just leave them in the comment section. Thanks.